Hello everyone, welcome back to Nitya Cloud Tech. Hope all of you are doing good. In our last session, we have just took you through the Power Query editor, like what all are the options and how it is divided into different categories. Now, in this video, we will try to understand the table level operation, basic table level operation, what we can do after loading the data. Like if we need to changes, if we need to do any more modification related to any data set. So let's see this seed bun. So first I need to go into the home page and then I will bulk on this part to modification any table. So if you see here, there are different columns, segment, country. Okay. Now let's say I only need to choose only three columns or only need to choose the required column. Business has provided me list. I only require those column in my report. So I will click on choose column and I will click on this option. Now, let's say business provided me the list like segment, country, product, unit sold, and sales. So I will select only those column and I will click on OK. So see, I have only those column. And if you see below, as I mentioned, whatever you will do, step will created here. If you want to roll back, like if you want whole table, you can just remove this step. You will see all the columns. Okay, so simply as per the business need, you can select. Okay, choose column and select simply from here. And there's another option to choose column. You can select here, click, and you can select control and you will click on this. And once this is clicked, you can click here and you can say remove other columns. So you can like go in any way. There are two or there are different ways. You can use this one as well as use this one. I am removing this step again, and let's say if I choose this go to column, so let's say I will select sales. I have to go to let's say there are multiple columns. You have to see the value of any of the column. Right now there are few columns, but in if you work on real time project, you may see most of the column, and you instead of dragging, you can click here and choose and go on a specific column, let's say profit, and check the value of that column. Okay, okay. Now like if I need to remove only these two columns, so what I can do, if you see this option remove column, so I can click here on remove column. Okay, and if I need to remove other column, so I can select on country. Like I want to remove, I don't want to remove selected column. I want to remove unselected column. So I will select here and remove column and click here on remove other column. See, so it depends on the requirement. I can select multiple. Like let's say I will select these three and remove other column, or remove if I need to remove these column, so I can. These three are selected. I will select here and see remove these four. So based on the requirement, I can do these table operations here. Now I'm removing this. So now I have whole data set. Now let's say I don't want to keep, or I want to remove top 5 rows because it is not required. Suppose. So what I will do, I will click here and click on remove top rows. So this is the n rows, basically whatever number you will give. Let's say you will give 6. From 7, you are able to see mid market. No? So you will able to see value from mid market. See, mid month. So you can remove whatever you want, like remove 10, 20. You just need to select and it will be removed. So if you see tabletop script, so these basically this is M code is generating. So you can do changes manually. Let's say you want to remove 40, you will select here 40 and 40 row will be removed. So you can run step by step. This one is table dot skip 6 rows. You want to skip 10 rows. So like this, you can change, you can make changes from here as well. Now you have different option here. Remove bottom rows. Let's say you don't want um, bottom 5 rows, so you can, or bottom 10 rows, you can select here and you can remove like this. Okay, and you have different options like remove alternate rows, so you can click here. Most of the time, we get duplicate records as well, so we can use, remove duplicate option, remove blank rows, remove errors. So we will just click. So see, all the duplicate records get deleted. Okay. Similarly, we have option called keep rows. So let's say you have to keep only 5 rows. So you will check keep top rows, and so see M code is table dot first and change type 5. Let's say you want to 10, so you can change here as well. So 10. So in this way, again there are keep bottom rows, so you can put bottom rows and keep range of rows. Let's say you want to first from fifth row, say you want 20 rows. So see, you will get the 4 to 20. So similarly, whatever the option you can choose here, and you can basically remove and keep as per the business need, you can do. So yeah, this is the basic table operation which you can do from the home option. Like whatever the sheet you can choose, and then you can use this choose column and remove column and remove row. So I hope this video would be helpful for you. Please like and subscribe my channel, guys. Let's meet in the next video.